Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the specific Vision LED headset model, that it's charged, and whether it uses a USB wireless dongle or a 3.5 mm cable. Once done, power the Xbox One and sign into your profile so settings apply. If a dongle exists, plug it into a rear or front USB port and keep the headset close. If it's wired, plug into the controller's 3.5 mm jack. Press the headset pairing button now to initiate the connection. This is the first actionable step to make the link. Once the physical link is attempting, you need to finalize pairing and configure sound. Make sure the dongle and headset LEDs show a successful connection. If using controller cable, confirm the controller recognizes the headset. Then go to Settings, select Devices and Accessories, pick your controller, and view headset status to verify. Next, open Audio Output and set headset audio to stereo uncompressed or Windows Sonic depending on preference. Adjust headset volume, mic monitoring, and the chat. You finish by testing audio in a game and a party chat to confirm voice and game channels work. Make final equalizer or profile tweaks using the headset app or onboard controls so the Vision LED sound matches your preference. If something goes wrong, check for firmware updates for the controller and headset, then repair the dongle or try plugging directly into the controller. If that fails, restart the console and controller. This often clears handshake issues and restores normal audio and mic function.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.